Nord CE starts with core features in mind, bringing together an improved Warp Charge 30T Plus, a 64-megapixel triple camera, that's 16 megapixels more than the original Nord, and our signature 90Hz fluid AMOLED display, all packed into the slimmest phone since the OnePlus 6T at 7.9 millimeters.
Nord CE comes in 3 different colorways. First, we have Blue Void. If something a little more classic is your thing, we have Charcoal Ink. It's a darker take on the original Nord's gray onyx. Finally, we have my favorite colorway, Silver Ray. The reflective properties of Silver Ray harness the surrounding light to create a beautiful array of vibrant accent colors. First, a photo from one of our favorite photographers, JP Bonino. We're so happy that he was able to capture such vibrant colors, and more importantly, a happy person holding a Rubik's Cube, all processed using our smart content algorithms on Nord CE's main camera. With Nord CE's ultra-wide camera. What a view! Let's check out a gorgeous portrait shot from Paris Helena out in Los Angeles, California. Look at those colors pop. Have a look at this beautiful shot of this stylish person walking down some stairs in Stockholm, Sweden, shot by Pontus Hammerstrom.
I hope you enjoyed that expose of OnePlus Nord CE. A little more than you expect.
We're gonna need you to come with us.
The people deserve the truth.
You claim Nord CE delivers the same core Nord experience for an even better price.
That's right.
So prove it.
We put painstaking effort into the design and build quality of OnePlus Nord CE. And we threw in 3 years of security updates and 2 years of software updates. It's got a triple camera setup on the back with a 64-megapixel main camera. And it's got an ultra-wide camera with a 119-degree field of view. A 16-megapixel selfie camera for capturing yourself from all the best angles. Nord CE features AI scene detection, which is capable of recognizing what you're shooting and automatically adjusts the camera settings for an awesome shot. Everything looks amazing on our silky smooth 90Hz display. A powerful Snapdragon 750 5G chipset and a Cryo 570 CPU supported by up to 12 GB of RAM that packs brand new architectures for more than 20% improvement over its predecessor. And an Adreno 619 GPU with a 10% improvement from the Adreno before it, all backed up by up to 256 GB of internal storage.
Battery?
Nord CE comes with an even bigger battery than the original Nord. But thanks to our improved Warp Charge 30T Plus, it still charges in the same time. That means 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes.
Oxygen OS?
Our fastest, smoothest, smartest yet. Oxygen OS 11 based on Android 11, featuring our new and improved user interface, optimized single-handed operations, dark mode, always on display, Zen mode, and more. 5G gaming, streaming, and sharing, with download speeds up to 2.95 GB per second.
The price of Nord CE.
It's available in India, starting from 22,999 rupees. It's available in Europe, starting from 299 euros. Did I mention that we also brought back the Headphone Jack? OnePlus Nord CE will be available on June 21st from OnePlus.com and carrier partners. OnePlus Nord CE will be available to members through
Pre-order
on
June 11th
and on
June 16th
on OnePlus.in and retail partners.
and Amazon.
Have a great day and stay safe.